49 soldiers of CRPF they lost their life. So it is not a which is a bad day, but definitely we are celebrating this day as that Parents Day or Mata Pitra Divas as a. So in that case, definitely it's a day when the children they pay their that respect, honor to their parents, and they commit these things. The relationship between parents and children that is having the paramount importance in their life. Teacher is there very important in your life, but your first teacher is always your mother or your father. First teacher. When you are not able to move, your parents taught you how to move. You were falling, then your parents were helping to stand up and to move again. You were crying, that was being taken care of by your parents. You did not know even a single word, any language, but the first word you said, it was mama or papa, that was taught by your parents. So learning starts at home, and learning, the first teacher is your mother, second teacher is your father, and third teacher is your teacher from where you get education in school and college. So teacher comes at number 3, very honestly speaking. First is your mother, then father, and your that teacher in a school. So this day, definitely being a St. Xavier student, being the son and daughter of your parents, it's your responsibility to take this pledge not to hurt the feelings of your parents. If your parents expect something from you, again, they are selfish, their children should grow, their children should become very successful in their life. That's the reason sometimes the parents they scold us. The parents they scold their children. And the children feel, you know, my father or my mother is saying something, perhaps that the intention is different. Their way may be different, their way may not be good, their way may be very strict. It seems to you, but the intention is they want you to see the successful boys and girls, they want you to become a successful human being, and that's the reason they keep on saying you, they keep on asking you, do this, don't do this, behave like this, keep your things there, study, play, don't that overuse the mobile phone. They keep on saying because they want to see you a successful human being, they want to see you successful in your life, and that's the reason. So always understand the idea, the psychology behind the scolding of the parents. जब भी पेरेंट्स डांटते हैं उनका इरादा होता है कि आप एक अच्छे बच्चे बने, you become successful in your life, you become good human being. And you might have seen your parents, they are more strict towards you than with your cousins. Your father and mother will be more worried about you and less will be worried about your cousin, and people who are living in the neighborhood they also say auntie and uncle, but they sometimes advise, but not in that way. And if somebody is living in your village, in your colony, they hardly pay attention to what those boys and girls, whether they are good or bad. If they say something, it's for your betterment. Whenever our parents say us something, because they are our well-wishers. So on this day, take this pledge, you will never ever hurt the feelings of your parents. One point. Next, upcoming back to the school, because some more students have joined the school today. Your pre-board examinations are there, and for 10th and 12th class from 28th, and for rest of the class your annual examinations are there from 26th February onwards. Your last exam is on 8th of March. So keep on studying, and then your next session will begin from 21st March, especially for the days for the students. But for the hostel students, your next session will begin from 9th March onwards. For the hostel students, your next session is going to begin from 9th March onwards, not from 21st March. Because for the hostel students, we are going to have some foundation special classes to strengthen. Students will plan to stay up to summer vacation. So there is no holiday in February, there is no holiday in March, there is no holiday in April. Your outing from the hostel will be in the month of May, when your summer vacation will begin. We have already spent a lot of time at our home due to this pandemic. We have a limited time now, so this time is to be properly utilized for study so that our academics can be strengthened and become successful human beings in our life.
Hands out from your pocket. Thank you.
So, 2 points again, because you might have heard dress and address is very important. When we say dress, you should know how to stand. If you are keeping your hands in your pockets, it's not the right way to stand. Whenever you are in the school campus, you cannot eat. Very important in our life. So I was coming to that point: dress and address, how you behave, how you look from the outside, whether your hairstyle, whatever you are wearing, it should be very good, exemplary, should have a positive impression on others. And address, how you speak, your language, it's very, very important. So you should learn how to speak. Or in the bus, no here. If any child is saying something to you in a Hindi, except in Hindi period and in Sanskrit period, in physics or in chemistry, the students are not allowed to speak, and if they ask anything in a Hindi, don't respond and ask the child to switch over to English. And whenever the general discussion is there, it must be always in the English. So no Hindi speaking allowed in the school premises. I want you to be a very successful human being, and for the success, this language, English fluency is having lot of importance in our life. Those students, those persons, those people who are fluent in this language, they become highly successful, they get good jobs, get good respect. And if we keep on speaking the same language as it is being spoken at home or by our parents, then what is the difference of studying in a school that is situated at Delmundi or at Pathria? You are traveling 40 kilometers. Focus on your social skills also, because the three things are the part of your personality. If you are good at academics, good. If you are good at sports, very good. If you are good in the social school, then you are the best. Then nobody can stop you to become whatever you want to become in your life. So always keep these three things in your mind. I hope my message is clear. So once again, welcome back to the school. Keep on studying, keep on asking the questions from your teachers as Albert Einstein was doing. Thank you, have a good day.
Hare Rama Rama
सबके दिल में ये अरमान है, धरती पे उगना बाप का, उसकी धारा की पहचान है, ये तो सच है।